The Kneewell device helps you perform static progressive stretching, gradually stretching the knee ligaments to increase your range of motion and reduce your recovery time. In this video, we'll cover initial device setup, fitting and sizing, putting on the device, beginning treatment, and ending treatment. To begin, remove the Kneewell device from any cardboard, paper, or plastic packaging. Locate the black plastic end of the thigh strap. With the jagged side up, insert it into the gray ratchet mechanism until you hear about 3 to 5 clicks. On the opposite side of the device, open the cam buckle lock and pull the strap out of the cam buckle. Find a chair with enough room to comfortably extend your leg while using the device. If the length adjust knobs are not visible, slide the knee pad down. Loosen both length adjust knobs until the aluminum frame slides freely. With the treatment leg slightly bent, place the heel pad at the outside of the foot and adjust the length of the frame to the outside of the mid-thigh. Tighten both length adjust knobs until the aluminum frame does not move freely. Slide the knee pad back up, carefully pulling the fabric over the length adjust knobs. With the ratchet mechanism facing the outside of the leg, place your foot under the knee pad and through the device, resting it on the heel pad. Adjust the knee pad up or down as needed so that it is resting on the knee. Feed the free end of the thigh strap under the thigh and then through the cam buckle near the inside of the leg. Do not lock the cam buckle yet. Apply pressure on the upper frame until the leg is comfortably extended. Then pull the thigh strap tight and lock the cam buckle. To apply additional tension and increase stretch intensity, use the gray ratchet mechanism on the outside of the leg. Do not over-tighten. As rehab progresses, tension can be gradually increased. To stop treatment, open the cam buckle and remove the thigh strap. Then pull your foot out of the device. To prepare for your next treatment, loosen the ratchet mechanism by pressing the black release tab on the top of the mechanism and pulling the black plastic end of the thigh strap back to its initial position. With your therapy complete, you can now store the device securely until your next therapy session.